In step 10, we're going to talk about how you create, upload, and embed a welcome video onto your homepage. As well, we're going to talk about how can you do better quality videos without spending any money on a webcam. How can you save your storage on your course and make it easier for the students to view your video. Okay, so let's get started on all those tips. So you'll notice here that I stuck a placeholder video. And that this is just a YouTube video. There's two ways that you can do it to add a welcome video. Number one is that you could embed it from YouTube, which I've done here, and that's my suggestion. And the other is that you can upload it directly to the course like you would an image or anything else like that. So let's go ahead and go over those different options, but let's go ahead and hit edit. And so let's say that I just wanted to do a one and done video. What I would do is you could just edit or add a video directly from the recorder inside of Canvas. So I'm just going to hit enter, and I'm going to leave that other video there for a second, and I'm going to center it. And so you can see my cursor is right there. And I'm going to come up here to this icon right here, and this has the little music symbol with the video. And we're going to click it, and we're going to say upload record media. Okay. And this is going to give us three different options. So if I've already recorded a video and I just want to upload it, I could do it here. That saves it within Canvas and then plays it. Or if I want to embed a video from YouTube, I could paste it here. Or if I want to record a video, I could do it here. So we'll do this one. And on this window, you're able to change a couple things. You can change the mic. Okay, so I can change, like, right, I have a better mic. If you're going to spend any money personally on anything, buy a mic. I did a whole video on my setup. This is a Yeti, Y-E-T-I. And they have a Yeti Nano that's less than $100, and that might sound like a lot, but good mics cost thousands of dollars. It's actually a really good mic. And then the next would be you could change your webcam if you have a different webcam. And so this is my first tip. So I want you to show you, this is just the FaceTime hello quality of my iMac, which is a good computer, and then this what's called Epoch or Epic Cam, because it's actually my iPhone. Okay, I want you to consider using your phone for recording the video. So I'm going to open up a new tab here, and EPOC Cam. Okay, Epic Cam, right there. Zoom in real fast. EPOC Cam. It's an app. I think it costs $5.99 for Android, and I think $7.99 for iPhone. But what it does is it turns your phone into an HD camera, and I've really loved it because it just gives me much better quality. All I have it here is it's mounted on a little selfie stick that I picked up. So consider that. But if you don't have one, if you're just using your webcam, that's perfectly fine. But back here, you can choose which webcam you're going to use. I'm going to use that one. And you would just hit start recording. Hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Bramer's science class. These are the things that we're going to do. You're going to love it. And yeah, I have dogs and goats and chickens. And then after you do that, go ahead and save it with a name. So welcome video. And then hit save. Now, this works for what I call single-use videos. Okay, and it's taking its time loading there, and it'll be there in a second. Single-use videos are those videos that you're only ever going to use one time. Examples on a welcome video like this. Another example, if you're giving feedback to a student and you want to give them video feedback, or if you're reading directions to a specific assignment and you're never going to use that again, all single-use video. However, let's say you're doing a lecture and you will possibly want to use that lecture again next year or next quarter or with another class. That's not single use, that's multiple use. If you record it just with the built-in upload function, and this is not Canvas Studio, which is a whole different thing, which we do not have as a district. We may get, but for those of you that aren't part of my district, maybe you have Canvas Studio, so that's a different thing. But if you have just a built-in media recorder, you have no control of where control over where that file is saved. It does not get saved in your files, which means that you can reuse it kind of if you come back to this post and you copy the code and then you paste it in somewhere else, but you don't really have control over that file. And so good for single use, not good for multiple use. If you're going to do something multiple use, I really strongly suggest that you use an embedded YouTube video. Okay, so real quick, all you would do is you would record the video, for example, using Loom. Okay, and with Loom, as I've shown in another video, you can make it full screen, and there you go, and you can talk or whatever. You could pre-record it just on your iPhone, go outside and do it. The video I'll show you, the fake video that I'll upload here in a second, I think is one that I've done before, and I did those outside. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to YouTube. Now, with your school account, you have a YouTube account that you can upload videos to. Theory here, I guess, or suggestion. As you can see, I like Marvel stuff. I'm going to go to my videos while we wait. So here's just suggestion. The videos that you upload into your school YouTube account, if you were to ever take a job at another district and you want to use those videos, you won't be able to because your account will no longer be yours. Okay. And so any videos that you've uploaded there, it's no longer yours. So if you're creating a video that maybe like, I love this channel, Flipping Physics. He does great lectures. If you're creating videos that you might want to use at another time or another place, or somebody else might want to use, and so you don't want them to like be deleted if you were to take a different job, you're probably going to want to use your personal YouTube account, and then just make sure you approve the channel so that it can view. Remember, if you don't approve it, it won't be able to be viewable by students. But there's a theory. So once you've actually recorded your video, all you do is you come up here to YouTube, and you click on this little button right here that says create a video or post, and you click upload, and you're just going to walk through the different things that it asks you to do. So you'll find your file and you'll drag it in there. I'm not going to go through the steps because that's pretty self-explanatory. You fill out all the details and then you hit save. And once you have the video, so here's like a video that I did last year. And let's choose this one. Once you have your video, and then you can actually go to it. So I'm just going to click the link here. These are ones that I used last year for the spring learning. You let it load.
Welcome to today.
I love saying that. And you're going to click this button right here where it says share. Okay. And so I click share, and I want that little embed code. Notice the code symbol. Okay. Get to know that code symbol because that means that there's an embed code. Click there, grab, all you do, you click in it and you can grab it. One of the cool things here is you can actually choose to start it. If you want to say the video starts at 15 seconds, you can do that. If you want to, and you can also change some other things. I would leave show player controls there just because they might need to be able to pop it up to make it bigger. Anyways, grab it, click copy, and then you're going to come back to our template here. And I'm just going to delete these. Delete. Hey everybody, welcome to stop that. There it is. And we're going to go back up to that media button. Okay, so the upload record media button. And instead of recording it or uploading it from the computer, I'm going to go to Embed, and I'm going to paste that code. I'm going to hit Submit. Now notice that I've centered this, okay, already. It was already centered, but just like we did with our banner, okay, I center things. I think that's just a really good habit because it makes your pages look a lot cleaner, okay? And then I save. And there you go. So there's two different ways that you can upload a welcome video. I have no idea why it's showing that one and not the one I just hit save for. Well, that's wild. Oh, yeah. Well, let's troubleshoot real fast together. So we're going to delete that video. Make sure it's deleted. And then we're going to paste our code. This is a good lesson. Things don't always work the way you want it to. I want there to be another space there, so I'm going to hit space. I'm going to click after it, and I'm going to center it. There you go. Looking good. My garden looks so much bigger than that now. So many tomatoes. And there we go. Now it's working. What I was going to say, though, is that YouTube servers are a lot faster than Canvas's servers. And so that's another thing. It's just going to make the pages load a lot better, a lot faster for students. Okay. So that's how we upload our welcome page. So with that, our home page is finished. If you've done all those steps, it's finished, except we haven't actually made it the home page yet. So that'll be what we do next.